Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Binance Red Packet code today. Open the Binance app and sign in, then tap Wallet, select Red Packet and choose Redeem. Enter the code exactly as provided and tap Confirm to claim the funds. If a code requires sharing, send it only to trusted contacts. Always avoid sharing passwords or private keys and verify senders before redeeming. I'll walk you through verifying and claiming a red packet safely. First, confirm the sender and check any conditions on amount or expiry. If prompted, verify with 2FA or email to protect your account. Avoid codes from strangers and never enter private keys. After redeeming, review transaction history for the credited amount. Share codes only with trusted contacts to reduce risk. If a code fails, stay calm and follow simple checks. Re-enter the code to avoid typos and confirm regional availability or minimum amounts. Clear app cache or try another device and ensure your app is updated. If funds still do not appear, take a screenshot of the error and open a support ticket with Binance including relevant details. Monitor account activity and change passwords if you suspect unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.